Hello, me and my hair are back. My hair is driving me crazy, so if I'm messing with my hair a lot, I'm sorry. I can't help myself. Welcome back to another Project Pan update for November, and I think we should probably call this how to somewhat quit your Project Pan over the course of 365 days. I have some stuff to talk about. So last month we really narrowed down the list to make it very, very short. I have my computer up in front of me. I have my category of stuff that I have used up completely, stuff that I have not touched at all, and things I have managed to get into rotation. I can't believe I remembered that without looking at it. And now I'm stumbling on my words. How did I get all that stuff out just now? Who is she? My brain. She's gone. We'll miss her. Anyway, moving on. Let's get started. So, in my things still left going on, I have two things that have sort of become the bane of my existence. This wet lip, I think I want to take this out of my Project Pan. This has so much product in it. I don't put it in my purse. I don't want to put it in my purse. I don't mindfully go and reach for it when I have things that feel a little bit more hydrating sometimes. I don't know. I think it's time to say goodbye to the giant ball of Carmex. So, I'm sorry. The other thing I have on my list is the purple mascara, and we all know how long you're supposed to keep mascaras, and it's not a lifetime, and apparently that's what I am going for with that mascara. I'm leaving it in my Project Pan because, by golly, why not? Same thing with the ColourPop eyeshadow. It may just have a permanent home in the back of that drawer. And I think, I know I've said this before, but I am going to do another Project Pan, but I am very consciously aware of what I want to put in that Project Pan and things that I will feel more successful at, things I'll feel more successful at achieving and focusing on. What am I doing? Next thing I want to talk about is the blush that I had in my Project Pan. Look, I'm already telling you what's up. So this is Sensual by Tarte. You can still see the pattern. I am a fraud, but it's going to take a lifetime to go through that. So it's out. And then thirdly, is the Bite Beauty Multi-Stick, because I'm just not using it. And what I've decided to do, this is the entire kit that I actually bought it in. These items have like literally minimal use, like literally minimal use. So I'm gonna put it on my Mercari. So, where's that? I don't know. Just not a fan of the color of it. The color and the consistency of it. I like some of the more balmier things that I have versus that's more dense. Let's keep going. The other things I have, so this is my Viseart Theory palette. I have pulled this out lately. I'm only talking about these two shades. These are never, I'm never going to hit pan on these either in the next 60 days. But I have been working on this highlighter a lot, more specifically because I am on a mission. I am on a mission from the heavens above to find out what the bottom of this looks like. This is probably something that I'm on the fence about it, may make its way into my Project Pan next year, but I'm still definitely working on this guy. But these two guys I'm working on. I think in the month of October I used this bronzer once, but this is kind of my main focus. I kid you not, like, I am on a mission. It is flat across, like when I hold it flat, I can't see the surface at all, and like the insert of the pan itself, it is beneath that too. So a dent has been made, but not good enough. To be continued, but holy hell. I think I'm gonna make monthly videos literally about this MFer until it's gone. Which at one point in my timeline, I felt like, oh, I can do that. I can totally hit pan on that. Obviously not. I've been using this bronzer for 360 days now. I will find the bottom of this. I don't know why I'm so excited about that for some reason. Like, I am on a mission, genuinely, to blow through this thing. This and this as well. So this is the last thing I'm going to talk about. The pan's gotten a little bit bigger since we last talked, but not by much. I've really kind of been doing like a more swirl on the outside of the pan instead of like trying to purposely make more pans. So the wear that I have put into this is not as significantly visually predominant. But this is a Fantastico powder. So anyway, that's my small update. I just want to let you know, like, these 2 products I've really been hitting hard on. These 3 products that I've been really hitting hard on, and there's a couple things that we are knocking out of the project pan. If you've never watched any of my project pan videos, I just wanted to throw out there, I started with a list of probably, what, 30 items? I'm looking at my computer, like, it's broken into categories, so I can only see like 5 things on it, but for some reason I'm expecting like the number to magically flash like it's an answering machine. A answer machine, not... Wow. I had way too many items on my project pan to begin with. I realize that now, next month or next year, I'm going to be more excited about, you know, being a little bit more concise. I think that, or what I hopefully will look forward to is doing maybe 2 project pans in 2 6-month categories. I think that'd be kind of fun, because that way you don't feel like you're getting stale with what you're constantly working on, or if there's things like, you know, a setting powder and a bronzer, those are fine to use year round. Or maybe even something quarterly. Hell, maybe even something monthly. I would fail so bad at that. C'est la vie. LMNOP. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching another project pan. I swear we've got 2 more to go. One for December and then the full circle in January, which will, what, close out everything that we're doing now and then open a new chapter. And that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like. Please subscribe to my channel to see more bullshit like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!